What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 161. We're up about 0.4% on the day. We've just been kind of trading sideways these last few days. We're sitting at a market cap of 48.2 billion, 24-hour volume 1.86 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart, guys. We've broken out of a descending broadening wedge. Your target is up here at 178. Now there is a bit of a bearish divergence here on the 1 hour. So if you do see some future sell-off, do target our level of resistance, now turned into support, from our wedge here at 154. I want to jump into the 4 hour time frame. So we've had the bullish cross. We're back above the EMAs. We're back above the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. And we have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders going on. You have your left shoulder here. You have your head, and you're just forming your right shoulder. So if you can see Solana come up and break this neckline, could be a nice little breakout. Will get us back above the golden ratio here. And can bring Solana all the way up above the 0.786 at 194. So this would be a massive breakout for Sol if this pattern were to play out. If we look at Solana here on the daily, our bull flag is still valid here. You can see we broke out. We've just been trading sideways, but your target is all the way up at the 1.414, which is at 290. So some future price targets here for Sol. You have the 1.272 up at 268, 290, our technical target, also the 1.414, and the 1.618 here at about 337 for Sol. A lot of analysts have been calling for a correction for Bitcoin back down to these levels of support, 57.5, 54, but as of right now, we're above the 1.272 at 59.9. We're consolidating, we're holding the EMAs. We are still seeing our bearish divergence. It's good that we broke this trend line of resistance here, but we did still print a lower high here on the RSI while creating higher highs. So technically we do still have a bearish divergence here, but it can be invalidated if the RSI pushes up here and we head up to 64.9. So that's basically it for Solana. Do keep an eye on this inverse head and shoulders here, as well as your technical target up at 178 from this descending broadening wedge. And then your levels of support here, 154, previous level of resistance. And then I'm also going to drop in the 0.382 at 148. See all the support in this area, just in case we lose that 154 level of support here. We may come back for a retest of 148. But as of right now, we've broken out of this pattern and your technical target is up here at 178 for Sol. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader as well as an investor. Make sure to check out crypto.com. Sign up through my link if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.